सगळ्यांक हांगा हाजीर आशिल्ल्यांक माय मोगाचो नमस्कार. तशेंच हांव पयले टॅकाचे पुराय टिमीक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. म्हाका हांगा संदी दिली म्हणून मानीक चड सोयरेक अशें. एंड आय वील ऑल्सो कॉंग्रेच्युलेट मिस मीना गोईस एंड सेल्वीन ब्रगांझा. Selvin have thanked everybody, like he had a big list written, thank you देव बरें करूं. But then म्हाका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, so I felt it actually because we were together for Rospan. Okay, so Rospan asthana there were no water bottles there, so he was very touched because he has to blow, no, so I gave him water. He forgot that to say thank you. And the host, she said, Selvin Bob motto is out, so he's already fed. He has to maintain a little less weight, but in his profession he has to go very high. Congratulations both of you. So आयच्या दिसाचे 2 दिसां खातीर ताची पयलीच वस्तूची जिनाक लागून आयज आमी फुडली पिळगी जी आशिल्ली ती माचयेर पावली. So when I think म्हळ्यार आमचे पास्ट, इफ यू थिंक द टुडेज जनरेशन आतांचे तियात्रीस फिल्डान तर पयलें तुका एक एप्रिसिएशन म्हणलें मेवता, लायक यू नो द एवॉर्ड्स आसता, लायक डिफरंटली वे एप्रिशिएटेड. बट त्या काळाचे जे अस्तोरेन खूब त्रास केले. वी हॅव सिनियर आर्टिस्ट बाय जेसी. इफ यू तेंगे तर स्टोरी तुम्ही ऐकली, सो मच दे स्ट्रगल बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट. बसीन येवप, 2-3 बस ट्रॅवल करप, कोणागे देरा रावप, समटायम जेवण पासून आसनासलें. इफ यू सी देयर लायफ, इट इज मच मोर स्ट्रगल देन वी आर नॉट डुईंग एनीथिंग. बिकॉज नाव डेज तुका पेरंट्सा सपोर्ट मेळटा, तुगे पेरंट्स तुका व्हरपा येताय, ओ जेवणा तुगे प्रॉब्लम आसता. सो आय रियली बाव डावन टू द सिनियर आर्टिस्ट. So जरी तर if you see now तियात्र field, like I feel the better qualified and more high level children, a new generation should become. Even I always say, it is not मुगे एक ओडवीके सांगा, anywhere म्हाका उलोवपा चान्स पडला, I always say because of तियात्र I am there. आज पासून हांव कोण आसा, I am professionally a teacher only because of तियात्र, because my complete education, my BA, MA, B.Ed is only because of तियात्र. सो आय रिस्पेक्ट दॅट. म्हळ्यार त्या तियात्र, बट तियात्र म्हळ्यार तें केन्ना कोण झगड जाल्यार आतां तियात्र करपा येयला घरांतून. तियात्र इज यूज लायक हें नाटकां. इट इज ट्रू, तियात्र मिन्स इट इज अ एक्टींग, बट इट इज यूज मिसयूज दॅट उतर. सो इफ एनीबडी सेज लायक दीस, हांव अमकां तियात्र चोयला, इफ समबडी इंट्रोड्यूस मी तो जाणा तें अनिता, ना आय डोंट वॉच तियात्र. I don't like that statement sometimes, like because it get hurt, because it has to be appreciated. It is the only entertainment which is going where houseful, so much crowd is coming, which you don't get in any other nattaks or any other entertainment. So I am proud to be theatrist. How somebody insults me, kone maka kite mulzalo theatrist anye, I don't feel bad because theatrist an kid dilte, I am very proud. So one thing, if you want to follow new generation or any new, I'm also not that old, to do next, I can't say also new generation. I also new generation antu porta, but tu nenu mashe video. So at that field अंतर येतले जाल्यार one thing तुझ्या भितर आसपा जाय म्हणटा ती courage, you know, to face. So they say theatrista now theatrista, we don't basic reason आमचो नाही. जरी तो like, you know, I have some problem, सगळ्या घरां आसता. Anybody has a problem, any girl from any society or from any caste or from any religion. So आमचें कितें जाता, when you are known in the society, I'm with one boy in the hotel, and so Anita कोणा घेनासलें, it is easy to say. But if a normal person is sitting, we will not say तें कोणा घेना, तेगे boyfriend बरो दिसता. We don't even know the कोण तो. But our thing is a boyfriend or a भाव आसतलो. So when you come in the industry and तुझे एक पार्ट ओळखोन जालो म्हणटकूच it is easy to spoil the name, because while talking also you don't have to describe तें चोडकोण उमकें अनिता म्हळ्यार पुरो comedian अनिता तें अशी. So it is easy. So if you are coming in this field, you have to be very courageous and very strong, because there are people who are there who will destroy you and put you down, no? So you have to be stand for yourself. कोण उबारपा कोण येवपाना, लोकय तेचे वयल्यान चलोन वचपा मनीस आसता. Like this. But if you say as a teacher, and salary आता now 7 8 is okay, like कितू ती सांगना, but okay salary. But if you like now एक musical show केलो, like इधर वाले will get 13-14,000, 15,000 just for 15-20 minutes. And if we have to struggle so much in the school and we are getting on 30th, 31st salary, we have to wait. This is much easy money, but still people don't know this is the highest income where you get. You don't have to pay even the tax. So, yeah, industry, you have a lot of life. Even see now, Selvin have also done a music, but he have never thought must be आपण theatre वाजयतलो. Maybe ते दिसलो आसा America, Portugal बी आसा वाजयतलो. But still, the main entertainment, if you have any skill in music or whether in singing or whether acting, the main it becomes like an income. It becomes like a job because the salary is quite high. जेन्ना हांव पयलें theatre आयिल्लें, then I was paid 250. But still, that 250 was lot for me. And now the new artist only who is coming like they are more than paid more than 1,000. So at least एक 10 show केले तेगे salary जाता 10,000. And some भुरगीं कोण शॉपाचे आसते they struggle so much after this but they don't even get 7,000. So if you come professionally in this field, it is really good in terms of income. But to talent to aspire, people should also accept you. Now this are new. I know by faces in new Choda Island, they have lot of future, but they has to stay in this. Like no, I will not say respect and rapache and what respect those statements. I don't believe. But your hard work should be there. Even if the script is come. Yeah, script up to Koram, but you should have that knowledge. Yada Baba script maka, is it correct what the director is saying? Because the director can't be right always. So the actor should have a think, Baba, this script is not correct and I will not do. And if you do that and if you come to a proper channel of the script, I'm sure that you will be somewhere very high more than other people who are there. So please respect the script and do the proper script which you go in a proper channel. More I will not talk because I'm very good in talking. So last I will say, I like शायरी, so I will end with the सगळ्या जाणांक ती मला पयली स्ट्रीम ओके एक कलाकार आयलो आणि गेलो यू हॅव टू से वा ओके एक कलाकार आयलो आणि गेलो एक कलाकार आयलो आणि गेलो जायते जाणांक लोकूय विसरून गेलो जायते जाणांक लोकूय विसरून गेलो पण सगळ्यांचो उकडास दवरता आमचो सीजर गिमेलो थँक यू एक मनशाक आसता वेगवेगळे रुची एक मनशाक आसता वेगवेगळ्यो रुची कोणाक नाचपाची या कोणाक संगीताची कोणाक नाचपाची या कोणाक संगीताची म्हाका रूच आसा तियात्रान नाचपाची या नेसपाची म्हाका रूच आसा तियात्रान नेसपाची तियात्रान म्हाका नांव पुरस्कार आसरो मोग दिला तियात्रान म्हाका मोग पुरस्कार आसरो दिला ताका लागून हांव केन्नाच सोडची ना तियात्राची माची